Must can walk out of here with $1 million right now. Oh, welcome back to Pree Dis. You don't know your vibe with me all the way in Ocho Rios, yeah man. We're the Sunset Jamaica Grand Beach Resort and Spa, and I'm excited, can you tell? Now we're gonna go all the way into Anguilla to catch up with our Caribbean video this week, and it comes to us from Roxanne Roxy Webster. Yeah man, the video is called Delete. We know them ways there. Pree Dis.
Should've listened to my friends when they said our love was overrated. Baby, you cut me deep. How could I be so mistaken? You said you loved me when all the time, baby, you were faking. Don't wanna wake you from your sleep. You need to get out of these sheets, 'cause there's no more you and me. You need to get out ASAP. Be sure to close the door. Don't wanna see your ass no more. I'm gonna land right on my feet. It's about time I press delete. It's about time I press delete. For all the pain that you caused me.
Yeah man, and still on the Caribbean beat, let's check in with the latest happening in entertainment in and around the Caribbean. It's this week's Caribbean Buzz with my fruit, and them have a pink grapefruit juice drink, the flavor shot. Now check out the Caribbean beat right here. It's Caribbean Buzz, mad.
Inside the Caribbean Buzz for this week, Bajan soca artist Inches created waves last year when he was featured on the track called Jiggle It, and now he has upped the tempo on his brand new single called Carnival People. The track was produced by Gary Serraro and Derek Brain. It's also one of the tracks for 2012 crop over in Barbados. Now Trinidad's Ricky J has brought on board Jamaican reggae singer Laza Morgan for a dance remix of the track called Drinker's Anthem. Soca artist Edwin Yearwood and Alison Hines have teamed up on a track called Hit a Nerve for crop over in Barbados. Dominican reggae artist has signed a deal with Jamaican reggae label Done Some Records. The artist is working on his second solo album with the label. That's the Caribbean Buzz for this week. My name is Kevin Jackson.
Here's this week's feature on Seneca Cigarettes.
Whenever you light up to enjoy the cool menthol flavor from Seneca Cigarettes, be considerate to others in your immediate vicinity who might be non-smokers. The Chief Medical Officer warns that secondhand smoke is harmful to children and non-smokers. This segment was brought to you by Alex Co. Limited, distributors of Seneca Cigarettes. Choice matters.
Them time they know. We have to take our second commercial break, but check my yard beat out, the beat of the streets. Boom, boom. When we come back, we still have a lot more right here on Pree Dis. It's all about Sunset Jamaica Grand. We're not going nowhere. We're so forward.